I'm going to have us all take a yummy, collective, deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're going to do one more, but we're going to make it intentional. We're going to inhale love. We're going to hold it at the top. We're going to relax our body underneath it. Then we're going to exhale love. And in this moment, I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, finding that space in your body that gets to hold gratitude. Whatever just popped up for you, I want you to venture into that space, feeling the gratitude, however big or small, and finding one thing, one action that you have done for yourself recently that you are grateful for. Breathing into it with that love, with that gratitude, no judgment. One thing recently that you have done for yourself that shows compassion. Feeling into that space, allowing that energy to grow, to feel warmer, to begin to feel energized and electric. I want this space of gratitude and self-compassion to begin to radiate and flow throughout your entire body, as if it is a creek of energy that is just slowly rippling down your arms, down your legs, around your head, until this creek turns more into a river. This river of gratitude, of loving energy flowing through your body, down and around all of your organs, down your veins, underneath your skin, perhaps even on top of your skin, until from your toes all the way up to the tip of your head, you feel this rush, this wave of love come over you, almost as if it knocks you off your feet. And feeling into a moment of stillness, appreciation as you house all of this loving energy within you. Acknowledging your feelings in this moment without judgment. Taking a deep breath into them and allowing them to be. And then with a very gentle smile, barely a smile at all, just bringing a simple awareness of this joy creeping onto your lips, onto your cheeks, noticing how it shifts your internal world as it shifts your outer world, this slight smile. And with that, bringing a little bit of movement into your toes, a little bit of movement into your fingers, possibly even a bigger smile if you feel so called, and gently opening your eyes back into this moment. Content, present. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining me.